So let me show you how. So I'm going to use a piece of paper here just so that I can have more room to write. But I've just copied down the prefixes here, same as above. You have it on your paper to look at, okay, with all the information filled in. So it says, I have 1 cm. How many millimeters is that? So what you're going to do is you're going to find the C. So you're going to look at the prefix here, right? You're going to find the C is right here, and you're going to find the M is right here. And you're going to see how many spaces away from each other they are. They are 1 space away from each other. Does that make sense? So what you're going to do is you're going to take the number they originally gave you. They gave you a 1. Find the decimal in that number. Now, whole numbers are always going to have decimals at the back, right? Of course. So you are going to move that decimal, the amount of spaces away from each other that they are up here in this scale and in the same direction. So centi to milli would move to the right, and it would move 1 time because it's 1 spot away. So 1 would become 10. So 1 centimeter is the same thing as 10 millimeters. Okay. I'm going to move down here in our problems. It says you have 1 meter. How many millimeters is that? So here's the trick that I was telling you about. If you have an M by itself, see, this is an M by itself. This is an M in front of an M. So this is a prefix. This does not have a prefix. If it doesn't have a prefix, that means it's a base unit, which would be here, right? This is a base unit under the B's. So we are going from B all the way to the M. Okay, so we're going to do 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So if I have a 1, the decimal's at the end, I'm going to move the decimal 3 places to the right. So that would be 1,000.